Assalamualaikum my YouTube family, how are you all and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are making very easy and tasty recipe of rice. So we are making vegetables fried rice. Stay tuned, stay connected and note these ingredients. First you take some vegetable oil, chicken cube or chicken stock, all-purpose vegetables like carrot, capsicum and green onion, salt and black pepper as required, 1 egg, vinegar and soya sauce. First you take a pan and add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. When oil is warm, add half tablespoon of garlic paste. Then add whole egg and immediately cook it until it's hard. When egg is properly cooked, add all veggies and cook on high flame. Add some chicken stock, chicken cube or chicken powder. It's up to you. Add half tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of black pepper, fresh. Then add some soya sauce and vinegar. Then add 80 to 90% boiled rice. Rice should be not properly cooked. Mix well and cook on a high flame and steam 2 to 3 minutes. This recipe is very tasty and easy to cook. If you like this recipe, so comment in the below, press the like button and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's enjoy some chicken chili or chicken gravy. Thanks for watching guys. Allah Hafiz.